The day I went camping. Today, I went camping with my family, and it was the best day ever. We drove to a beautiful campsite surrounded by tall trees. I helped set up our tent and learned how to tie knots. After everything was ready, we went for a hike to explore the area. I saw colorful flowers and heard birds singing. We even spotted a deer. In the evening, we made a campfire and roasted marshmallows. The warm fire crackled while we told stories and made silly jokes. I loved watching the stars twinkle in the dark sky. It felt magical. When it was time to sleep, I snuggled in my sleeping bag and listened to the sounds of nature. Camping taught me about teamwork and enjoying the outdoors. I can't wait for our next adventure in the wild.